Hello and welcome back, everybody. If you want to monetize your Instagram account and you are wondering how to do so, in today's video, we will be guiding you through the simple process. In order to do so, let's just get started with it. So, for that, you can head over the Instagram application and you can just monetize your Instagram account by switching it to a professional account to access the monetization tools. So for that, once you open up your Instagram application, you can head over to your profile in the bottom right corner once you are logged in. And within this profile, you can look out for the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of your screen and tap on it. And access your settings and activity. Once you access it up, you can go over to the option for professionals, scroll down, and you can go over for the option of turning it into a professional account. So you can find that option from your normal account. You may just scroll down here and find the option for professionals, and you can select the option for account types and tools and tap on it. Once you tap on it, you will be finding an option to switching to professional account. So you can go over and tap on that option. And once you tap on that option, you can just go over and tap on next. And here you can see you start getting paid when you switch to professional. So you can tap on next. After you tap on next, you can select what best describes your account, and you can tap on this option called switch to professional account. And after you confirm it up, you can click on OK. And once you click on OK, you just need to wait for some certain seconds and complete the verification process, like what kind of professional account are you? Are you a creator or a business account? After that, tap on next. And once you tap on next, you can just go over and simplify your account access and etc. And then you can just go over and set up your professional account. And when you do, your account should be starting monetized. And once your dashboard should appear on your screen once you go over and create your profile. Like your account should be monetized, and uh, there you can just go over and enable in-stream ads and just go over and access the features and see your monetization status. So therefore, if you want to monetize your Instagram account, you may just head over and follow up these steps for that. So do not forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.